So hi guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is the Devops mock activity 173. We already completed 172 mock interviews. If you are watching this video for the first time in the YouTube, you can check out all mock interviews in the playlist section. And one more thing, I do provide live classes on DevOps. So if you want to enroll for DevOps training, you can ping me on WhatsApp. So you can find my WhatsApp number displayed here. Yeah, hi RS. Thank you so much for joining.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, hi. So yeah, if you want to join my WhatsApp and Telegram group, you can find the link in the description. So if you are watching this video on YouTube, you can join my WhatsApp and Telegram group, and you can ping me on WhatsApp for the details as well. RS, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead and don't reveal your genuine information.
Okay, sir. Hi. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is RS. I am a passionate DevOps engineer with 5 years of experience in building and maintaining the robust, scalable, and secure infrastructure. And I specialize in bridging the gap between development and operations to accelerate the software delivery and improve the system reliability. Throughout my career, I gained hands-on expertise with a wide range of DevOps tools and technologies. Um, and I am proficient in Git and GitHub for maintaining code, and I have experienced in building automated pipelines using the tool Jenkins to streamline our build, test, and development deployment processes. And I have experience with the Docker for containerizing our applications, and we use Kubernetes for orchestrating them at scale, ensuring high availability of our applications. And I use Ansible for configuration management, and Terraform for provisioning and maintaining our infrastructure on AWS. AWS, which is my primary cloud platform. And I'm skilled in setting up comprehensive monitoring solutions with Prometheus, and visualizing those data in Grafana to gain deep insights into our system performances. And also I use self scripting and Python to automate our repetitive tasks and I create scripts to support our DevOps workflows. I am excited to discuss further how my skills and experience can contribute to your team. Thank you.
Okay, you have mentioned Terraform for provisioning and maintaining, not maintaining. We are going to manage the infrastructure, not maintaining the infrastructure.
Okay.
Okay, so the whatever the script I'm provided, please follow that. So don't change any words. Okay, it will
Yes,
change the
sir.
meanings.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, compared to last mock interview, this mock interview was okay, 50% good, not 100%, 50%. So please continue the same practice. Whenever I conduct mock interviews, do participate. Then definitely, right, you will get confidence. Depending upon it, I will also provide you the guidance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So yeah, I provided a script to RS, so she's the following the same checker. So in future, definitely will get you will also get a script for the introduction part. But still, we you need to learn. Then after you will get all the scripts. Okay, let me start the mock interview. Yeah, today's major focus will be on Git. I will just give you 5 seconds of time for each question. Okay, if you are not able to answer, I will move to next question. In within 5 seconds, you need to, okay, whenever I ask you a question, you need to, no need to rise. You are the only person today going to participate. So just whenever I ask you a question, in the next 5 seconds, if you answer, it's okay. If you are not answering, I will go to the next question. If you don't know, it's okay. You can keep silent. I will move to next question. Anyway, in the end of the session, we will discuss the answers. What is the difference between git fetch and git pull?
Um, Git fetch actually it combines the it it brings the changes to from remote to our local repository, but it will not merge the changes to our working directory. But git pull, it will merge, fetch the changes, and also it will merge the changes to our working directory.
Okay, how do you revert a commit that has already been pushed and deployed? How do you revert a commit that has already been pushed and deployed? In the question only there is an answer.
We can use the mm, revert command, git revert mm,
Commit ID,
commit id. Yes.
commit hash. How do you resolve your merge conflict in Git during a Jenkins build?
To resolve the merge conflicts, use during the Jenkins, we manually do
Yes,
resolve the merge
yes, you are
conflicts.
right. Whatever it may be, if you are getting a merge conflict, you will go right manually only
Yes.
will resolve it. It's okay.
We look into
As
that
part of
merged.
Jenkins build, we will get still
Yes.
we will clone that code to a local system. Okay, manually we will do it.
Yes.
People will confuse. Okay, don't get confused. Merge conflict means we will going to right manually do it, even if it is in Jenkins build, even if it is in Azure Devops, wherever you get a merge conflict. First, we need to take that code locally. Okay, edit that file, resolve it, again commit it. Okay, what are Git hooks and how do you use them in CI/CD?
Git hooks are script which we use to automate some tasks, like on the particular checking for pre-commit or post-commit. If we need to do some checking, we use this script to automate those checkings.
Okay, how do you handle large binary files in Git? How do you find which commit introduced a bug? These two are new, I know.
Yes.
What is the difference between Git reset, Git revert, and Git checkout?
Git reset. To reset the particular it moves the head to the particular commit. So whatever commits happen after to that mentioned commit, it will be discarded. So based on that, revert, it will create a new commit to reset to revert the particular commit, mentioned commit. So reset, it will not create any commit, but it will just move the head to that particular commit. But revert, it will create a new commit to revert that particular mentioned commit in the whatever we mentioned the commit, it will revert it. Git checkout, it to move to as a particular branch, we use git checkout command.
How do you swash commits before pushing code? Do you know what is
Quash.
swash commits?
Yes, sir. To merge the two commits, we use this
Yes.
quash.
How you do that?
Yeah, git rebase hyphen high,
Yes.
rebase interactive mode, we can use this quash commit
Head,
with
head
head
tilde symbol and the commit
tilde assemble
number,
particular commit ID. Yes, sir.
not ID number. You need to go.
Yes, sir.
How do you enforce that all commits go through a pull request review?
Mhm. And so all the commits.
Yeah, if for suppose if there is a branch, so all
Okay.
commits will get merged, right? To other
Yes,
branch.
sir.
Here, I'm confusing you with the question.
And
So pull request review nothing but yeah, there will be an approval,
all
but
the by
yeah,
default it will go all the commits only.
yes.
Oh,
How do you recover a deleted branch? Oh my God. Branch was deleted by mistakenly. You need to recover it.
by
Revert. You will go back
oh
to particular commit, right?
yes, sir.
Then automatically the
So,
branch will be removed. For suppose if a file was deleted, if I
okay.
use git revert that commit hash, that file will come again, come back
Yes, sir.
again.
So same with that revert only, we will get even the branch we can use it, right?
Yes, I will show you how to do it.
Okay.
So that's the reason I conduct mock interviews.
Yes.
Okay, some whichever we not important, okay, that which are not covered, it will be covered in mock interviews.
Yes, sir.
What is
Git cherry
git cherry pick?
pick. When we combine the two branches from one branch to another branch, we need only particular branch to be merged. At that time, we will go with the get cherry pick. To combine only the particular commit, we will use cherry pick.
How do you track changes to a specific line of a code?
To track the changes, we can use git log hyphen one line of code, specific line of code.
There is a separate command for this, I will show. How
Okay.
do you manage release versions using git tags?
Uh, git tag command.
Yeah, we can create a
Git
tag.
tag git tag and then version we can mention.
Yeah.
So the particular commits under with, that tag will be combined.
How do you roll back to a previous tag or commit?
We
Revert,
can
right?
use revert.
Yeah. How do you handle secrets accidentally committed to Git?
We need to rotate. First of all, we need to rotate the changes. Then after that, I will make the locally. I will make the changes. Delete that secrets, whatever in that files. I will again push back to that repository.
Yes, you are right. So, yeah, whatever your answer from that I can able to say that you are prepared. Okay, whatever the content I have delivered, you are following. So, Shekhar, if you also follow the content, you will easily rock in the interview. So, RS don't know Git, but she has learned and she has answered perfectly 15 questions. But there is a surprise, RS. Okay, there are 15 more questions on Git. Shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. By these 30 questions, okay, I will update this in the same Git repository which we maintaining privately. Please go through the 30 interview questions before attending any interview on DevOps.
Yes, sir.
Out of these 30 questions only, you will get 99% questions from Git, right? We are discussing as part of Git, not all other tools. 99% whatever the questions they will ask, only in this, only they will ask. Okay, if they don't ask, I will stop giving training because have taken too much of time to prepare these questions. How do you handle multiple developers pushing to the same branch?
Okay, we are using that version control git pushing to the same.
How do you optimize a large Git repository?
No, sir, I don't.
How can you see the difference between two commits or two tags?
Git diff commit one commit two, like commit id, if we mention it will list out the differences between those two commits.
Okay, what is Git stash? How is it used?
If we are working on a particular branch, but we need to before committing all those changes, if we need to move back to the another branch, that time we can save the changes whatever we made in the those current branch. We can save the changes using this git stash command. When we come back to this particular branch again, we can recover those changes.
Okay. How do you implement GitOps for Kubernetes deployment? This is not at all a new for you. How do you implement
Using
GitOps?
Git, uh,
We will store our manifest files in the GitHub, right?
GitHubs, yes, sir.
Why you are confusing?
Yes, using GitHubs we can implement.
How do you undo a pushed merge commit? So whenever you do a merge, extra commit will be created.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
now you have pushed it to your GitHub. It is
Okay.
already pushed. So two branch got merged, right, from sprint branch to master branch.
Okay.
Okay, now from master branch to master branch, I pushed it. Now I want to undo the already pushed commit, which is a merge commit. See, like how much confusion is there in the question?
Reset command. How do can I use reset command, sir? No.
Yes, yes, you definitely you can use, but what is the command, exact command?
Merge means it will create a commit ID, so I can git reset particular merge ID. I can last
Sorry.
git reset uh, merge ID in that particular commit ID.
Okay. Okay. What's the difference between merge and rebase?
Um, merge it will create a new commit ID and it will combines the changes from between the two branches. But rebase it will create a linear history.
Okay. So will it create an extra commit?
No, it will not create
So you need
extra
to
commit.
mention that, right?
Yes,
Because here we are,
merge it will create. Rebase it will not create.
yeah, because we are,
It will
the question was difference. So you need to mention that.
yes, sir.
How do you see all commits that modified a specific line?
This specific file.
Sorry, specific file.
Uh, git blame file name.
Yeah. So you have gone through the interview questions from our
Yes,
repo,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Super. Okay. I will update this one as well. Please go through it. So how do you clone a single branch instead of entire repository? So I will show you the example to understand. So I will search for Spring Pet Clinic GitHub. So I will open some project which is an open source project. So if I want to clone this branch, I will go to the code. Okay, HTTP, copy this git clone URL. Okay, my project will be cloned. Super, I'm happy. But here 8 branches are there. When I clone it, I will get 8 branches. I don't want that. I want only this efficient WebJar project. Sorry, branch. Remaining branch I don't want. I doesn't care. Because this is the branch which I have created. I want only this branch when I clone the code. I don't want remaining all branches. Do you know?
Sir, using that particular tag ID,
You just
we can
mention
create
minus single branch. That's it.
thing.
Minus single branch URL. Git clone,
Okay, sir.
right? URL
Git clone URL
minus single
single.
branch. That's it. This one
Okay.
also I've already added as part of interview questions in our yeah, how do you automate Git version bumping in a CI/CD pipeline? So last 5 questions. How do you manage multiple remotes in a Git repo?
Multi
How do you revert a commit without losing history but without creating a new commit? Without creating a new commit.
We
Reset,
can
right? Git
re
reset.
yes, sir, reset.
Git reset hyphen soft.
Soft
Yeah,
commit ID or header delete.
yeah. What are some common branching strategies used in Git? Do you know
Uh,
like what is the branching strategy you are following in your company?
for main, we maintain main branch and development branch, feature branch and bugs fixes branch. Main branch, it the complete code, we maintain in the main branch. Development branch, for the purpose we use development branch. The complete code will be there. From that branch will be cloned by our developers, and they will create separate branches like called feature branches. In that particular feature branches they will work on that, but for that particular whatever they implement the branches, they will work on that particular branches. If any they will create pull request and combine the code to the development branch. From that development branch we will move it to that uh, deployment branch. Then from that it will go to the main branch, the production branches.
Okay. Don't worry. I'm preparing a script how to explain the branching strategy for the Git. It will take some
Yes,
time, but I will update in the same repository of Git. So please keep right going through that repository. Not only Git, what are the tools we are right completed. Please try visiting there. Whenever I update new things, you will get updated.
yes.
So how do you compare the difference between your branch and origin main?
The diff command, it is for particular file. Yes,
How do you enforce commit message standards? Let's check the answers. Okay.
yes,
So top 30 real-time interview questions and answers. What is the difference between git fetch and git pull? So git fetch downloads commits, branches and tags from the remote but does not merge into your local branch. Git pull perform a fetch and then merges the changes into your current branch. So use fetch in CI/CD pipeline. So what is the use case, real-time use case in CI/CD pipeline? To review or validate changes before merging. So use pull only if you are confident about integrating remote changes. Yes or no, right? You are working on something, okay? You don't want to add that changes to your current working branch which you are working, okay? You are not confident enough. Then what you will do? You go with git fetch after you completed your complete work. Now you are confident enough. Then you will right implement a merge. Am I right?
yes, sir.
How do you revert a commit that are already pushed and deployed? So git revert commit hash. Then after git push origin main. So avoid git reset on shared branches because it's a rewrites history. How do you resolve a merge conflict in a git during the Jenkins build? Manually clone the repo locally, check out the target branch, merge the future branch. Yeah, resolve conflict manually, commit and push. In pipelines, automate a conflict notification rather than resolving automatically. Nothing but you can alert a notification whenever there's something is conflict was happen in your CI/CD pipeline. Okay. What are Git hooks and how do you use them in CI/CD? Git hooks are scripts that run automatically on certain Git events like commit, push, merge. So pre-commit hook to prevent secrets. See? So using this shell script, what it will doing? If grep minus q secret key, okay, in the start.py file, then echo sensitive data found, commit aborted, exit 1. This is the if loop. So nothing but it is searching for the secret key, okay, inside the .py file. If it is found, commit will be aborted because pre-commit hook, right? This is a pre-commit hook. So commit will not go further.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in the interview, will you tell this? Did you use the Git hook in your real time? So please go through
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay, whenever we write as part of commit, if we added a sensitive data like passwords and all, we are using a pre-commit hook so that passwords will not going to get committed to our remote branch. For that we have implemented a git hooks. Super, right? How do you handle large binary files? So git LFS. So git large file storage is that, okay, software you just need to install it. Git LFS install. Then using git LFS track, okay, what the zip file you have, you can give that, and you can add git add dot git attributes. So this avoids repo bloat and improves clone performance. Normally you will not have a large files, okay. If you have, you need to use git LFS. Okay, how do you find which commit introduced a bug? So you can use a git bisect. This one also we have already added. Still I will add this git bisect start, git bisect bad head, git bisect good commit hash. So fix the git will help narrow down the commit introduced the bug. So git bisect is the command to right, for large files. What you will use git LFS. Okay, if it is bug, to find out the bug you will use git bisect. Git reset moves head and optionally change the history. Revert creates a new commit and undoing changes. Check out switches branch or restore files. Use revert in shared branches. Reset for local cleanup. How to swash commits before mushing code? So we are mentioned, right, don't use for shared branches. Yeah, here avoid git reset on shared branches because it's rewrite history. That's what I've discussed here, right? If it is a single branch, nothing but your sprint branch. Yes or no? Main branch is a shared branch or not?
Yes, sir.
How do you swash commits before pushing code? Git replace say head. Okay, mark right, but the first commit as swash and save. How do you enforce that all commits go through a pull request review? Enable branch protection rules. Required PR approvals. Block direct pushes to main or develop branch. How do you recover a deleted branch? So using git reflog, you can able to see the history, what you have done. Git checkout minus B, branch name and the commit hash. So if it is deleted remotely, okay, it will recreate from last known commit. So what is git check cherry pick and when would you use it? So few days back, right, my brother, he is a developer, okay, he has pushed the changes to his remote branch. From local branch he has created some branch, he pushed it to the remote branch. Okay, what has happened in the remote branch, it got merged to main branch from his branch. Okay, after merging that branch was deleted because he already working on the branch locally, right, or the same branch. If you want to push it, that branch is not available, he cannot able to push that, right, because it was already deleted in the remote branch. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
See, my brother is working on the sprint one branch. Okay, he pushed the changes to remote branch of sprint one branch. Okay, locally he has a sprint one branch, he pushed the changes to his sprint one branch, not the from github,
Main.
from sprint one branch to main branch, raised a pull request, it got merged. But as part of pull request there is an option, okay, when you write merge the branch, do you want to delete the right this branch, because there is no use, right, already what are the content in this branch, it will get added to the main branch. So at that time they have selected to delete the branch, so they have deleted, but my brother already working on the same branch locally. If you want to push the changes to his sprint one branch, it will not happen. Why? It is already deleted in the remote branch.
Yes, sir.
During that situations, if you want that branch again, you can use git checkout minus b, is the his branch name which is present in the local and the commit hash. Okay. If it is deleted locally
Yes.
also, you need to use this. Okay. If you will recreate only when if it is deleted locally as well. Getting my point? If it is not deleted locally, you just use git revert. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
If deleted remotely, okay, recreate from last known commit. See, if deleted locally, what is git cherry pick and when would you use it? So git cherry pick commit hash. So it applies a specific commit from one branch to another. So useful for hot fixes in production without merging the entire branch. Yes or no? And this one I already shown you with a real life example in the class. How to track changes of specific line of code? Git blame. Specific line of code? Git blame. How do you manage large files? Yeah.
LFS
Okay. How do you find the bug?
for burger. I forgot, sir.
Bisect, right?
Bisect. Yes, sir.
Let's check. See, git bisect start, git bisect bad. So how do you track the changes specific line? Git blame. How do you manage release versions? So git tag minus a, okay, and minus m release. Then you can push that particular tag, git push origin tag. Minus m nothing but an information,
Message.
yes, for your particular tag. Nothing but for this tag you will have some note. Let me go to some branch and check. Spring I cannot we cannot find, but still okay. I will go to tags. So for this tag, right? So this is the message. Okay, getting.
Yes, sir.
So 1.5x tag and the message will be use leading. I might be wrong. I'm just guessing. Okay, because this is not my code, right? So same like that, it will give a message like this. Nothing but for this particular tag, what exactly meaning of that? What has exactly happened in that? So in this particular tag, okay, they have some right in the app URL they have done some changes like that for their identification. Okay, for your identification exactly for that particular version tag, what exactly the action you have performed. Okay. Okay, how do you roll back a previous tag? So git revert, git checkout. How do you handle secrets accidentally committed? So remove them from the history using git filter repo path. Okay, and invert paths. So force push and rotate the exposed secrets immediately. How do you handle multiple developers pushing to the same branch? Use feature branches and PR based workflows. Enable branch protection and merge queues. Use rebasing to maintain a linear history. So same branch, if you are multiple developers pushing, what they will do, you need to have the PR approval. Yes or no? How to optimize a large file, large Git repository? So you can remove the large files using a Git filter repo. So optimize here, okay, not manage. Nothing but you need to do remove something optimize. So using filter repo you can remove. So you can use git gc or git prune to clean up. So in which tool we have prune command? So that it will
To
remove
clean.
unnecessary file. Git docker, right?
Yes, sir.
Then what it will do? It will remove the unnecessary images unused images, all these things. Here in the Git also there is a Git prone.
Yes.
So it will remove the, so nothing but at the end you are right, saving the storage, archive old branches and use Git LFS, large file system. How can you see difference between two tags or commits? So git diff, what is git stash? So git stash temporarily is uncommitted, you know that. How to implement GitOps for Kubernetes deployment? So store manifest or helm charts in Git. Use Argo CD to auto sync cluster state with Git, and deployment changes is done via PR merge. How do you undo a pushed merge commit? So git revert, yeah, and commit hash. -m flag keeps the parent branch intact. Nothing but it will not touch the parent branch. What's the difference between merge and rebase? Merge, what it will do, it will create the merge commit, right, preserving history. Rebase rewrites commits to apply changes on top of another branch. Rebase is cleaner but should not be used on push public or shared branches. How do you see all commits that modified a specific file? So git log follow, okay, file name. So helps with debugging or history. So you said git log, it's correct, but you need to use follow, okay, and you need to give the file name, specific file, so that whatever the changes which I have done, what are the commits which I have done on that particular file, you will get the history, okay. How do you clone a single branch? Git clone -b branch name single branch repo URL, okay. What are the branch you want to clone? Saves time and bandwidth in large mono repos, yes or no? If I want to clone this whole branch, 8 branches, it will take time, but I want only this branch, so my data will be stored, right? It will not
Yes.
clone everything. How do you automate Git version bumping in CI/CD pipeline? So read current version, increment it, commit and tag automatically. So git tag v and you use the timestamp. Automatically it will create the tag and it will push that particular tag. For that you need to use a script. So right, automatically if you want to create a version tag, okay, you can create a script and you can call it in the CI/CD pipeline, yes or no? How do you manage multiple remotes in git repo? So add git remote, add upstream URL. So fetch it and merge them. How do you revert a commit without losing history but without creating a new commit? So yeah, git reset from soft for local changes only. For shared repos, use git revert. Very important, I'm adding multiple times. For shared branch, you will go with the git revert. Okay, for single branch, you will use git reset. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what are some common branching strategies used in Git? So Git flow, which we have discussed, right? Main, develop, feature, release. There is a trunk based as well, and GitHub flow as well. So 90% Git flow, 90 to 99% companies follow Git flow. So it depends upon the team size also. You will right, choose the branching strategy. How do you compare that? But large team size means Git flow, MNCs companies and all. Anyway, you are not going to crack a job with a 50 members company, 100 members company. Okay, you have already a good skill. You are going to crack in big companies. Target only big companies. That's the reason I've shown you the Git flow branching strategy. We should not learn, right, silly things which is no use. You need to explain in the interview and impress the interviewer. That's the reason we are going to choose toughest concepts. If you know git flow, right, this will be right, nothing. Here you have multiple branches, here you will be having 2 or 3 branches, nothing but main branch, okay, develop branch, that's it. If it is small team, they doesn't maintain that much. Okay, how do you compare the difference between your branch and origin? So git fetch origin and git diff origin slash main. So useful before merging to catch regressions early. So nothing but you will just check your local, sorry, main branch and your local branch. Okay, what exactly the difference was there, so that you can able to check before get merging. Before merging, if you want to check what exactly the changes in your main branch and your local branch. How do you enforce commit message standards? Use right hooks. So if grep, okay, then echo invalid commit message format. So in the commit message also, if they are using right like this, if they are using feed, fix, docs, chore, okay, this type of words if they are using, okay, please generate a message invalid commit message format. Okay, it depending upon the companies, okay, they will have maintain some commit message standards as well. In the commit message also, they should not use fix, okay, they should not use docs word, they should not use chore word, okay, they should not use feed word, okay, that type of words of if you want to right maintain some of course some companies will maintain some professionalism right in the git commit message also. So at a time you can create a commit message hook, right? So automatically, so if I go to my repo, git git practical, what is patch patch 3 day 6 rebase dot git folder hooks commit message. Yes, we have a hook or not? You can create a VA commit message hook, right? Yes or no? We have discussed or not?
Yes,
I've shown you the pre-commit.
yes, sir.
See?
Pre-commit.
So you need to remove dot sample. Okay, when you are creating the hook and you need to give the execute permission. So what you will do, you will create a commit message use, right? And you will write copy paste this. Okay, add that as a okay, create new commit message file and add that script. Okay, and try to commit with this particular thing and try to do the task. Will you do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so final tip for senior level Git interviews. So emphasize real-time production troubleshooting skills. Okay, show how you integrate Git with Jenkins, SonarQube, Argo CD, and Terraform. This one, as part of project, will be covered. Demonstrate knowledge of branching strategies. Okay, highlight automation scripts and governance like hooks, policies, secrets, scanning. So highlight, you need to highlight it because no one will highlight in real interviews. Okay, majority of people will tell I don't know Git hook. Some people will tell what is Git hook, but they don't know how to implement it practically. But we have covered it or not?
Yes.
Okay, so that's it for today. Uh, I hope this mock interview was helpful. Okay, I will update this right away in our private Git repository. Please, in the mock interview repo as well, go through it. From Monday, we are starting. Okay, Jenkins. So I hope you will follow the Jenkins classes same, and I will provide you the mind map as well for Git. Okay, before attending interview, please use that mind map for a revision.
Okay, sir.
Okay, or I will update the same mind map in the same repo, Git repo itself. It will be better, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, if anyone watching this video on YouTube, if you are still continue watching this video, so all the best for your interviews and like this video. And there is an option right now in the YouTube. We got a new option. What is that option for the new videos we got to push that video?
like hype your trends.
Yes. So if you're anyone watching this video, please click on hype so that right this video will be recommended to multiple people. And yeah, if you are looking for training, you can ping me on WhatsApp. I'm stopping the recording.